Hey, fifth grade. We're going to take a quick look at what our Chapter 9 Social Studies project is going to look like. You're going to have to write about each of these 8 sections plus a summary, and you'll have an intro page. So you're going to have 10 total slides. You're going to go over to Google Slides. You're going to name it your name. So I put Mr. Ops, Chapter 9 Social Studies. And down here I put Chapter 9 Social Studies by Mr. Op. Okay. Go to a new slide. I'll do the one where it has a title. I will title it the first section, which if we need to look back, you can see it as introduction. So I can say intro, and then I'll write a quick summary about what I read in the introduction. Okay, so again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because you're just doing through the summary. So you have 9 slides plus this first slide, so you should have 10 total slides just writing quick little summaries about what you read in each one of these sections. Let me know if you have any questions.